This bacteria, when it's in the mosquito, prevents viruses that cause disease in humans from being able to replicate in the mosquito. So diseases like dengue, chikungunya, Zika, yellow fever, they're all impeded by the presence of this naturally occurring bacteria called Wolbachia. You only have to do it once. If you're using insecticides, for example, you have to spray them every year to control the mosquitoes. We're targeting a production level of 100 million mosquitoes a week, which is the equivalent of 5 billion per year.